Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by isolating the display. Disconnect secondary monitors and all adapters, then boot into safe mode or recovery so the system uses a conservative driver and mode. Once done, inspect the current resolution and refresh rate reported by the OS or GPU tool. Write down entries like 1920x1080 at 60 Hz. You do this because the error occurs when the monitor is asked to show an unsupported mode, and safe mode prevents that while you prepare the next steps. Now you focus on drivers and signal integrity. Update the GPU driver with the vendor utility. If the problem began after an update, roll back the driver instead. Then change the display resolution to a known supported value and set the refresh rate to the monitor's native or 60 Hz. This avoids out-of-range timings. Make sure any HDMI/DisplayPort adapter passes EDID correctly, and swap cables or ports to rule out hardware negotiation issues before moving. For final resolution, create a custom mode in the GPU control panel only if you know the monitor's exact timings. Match horizontal/vertical frequency and sync polarity to avoid out-of-range values. Once created, apply the mode and test at reduced refresh rates like 50 Hz or 30 Hz if the image is unstable, then step up to native speed. If it still fails, swap in another monitor or GPU and reset the monitor's firmware or factory settings. This single troubleshooting step often reveals whether the display or the PC is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.